Today I'm going to show you guys my fall favorites and what I love that helps me get ready for fall. I'm going to show you guys my favorite scents, my favorite coffee beverage to make, my favorite shows, some online shopping that I'm doing. So I hope that you guys enjoy this type of video. I know it's going to be different, so come along with me into my apartment and I'm going to show you guys my fall favorites. Is to get my scents going, and my personal favorite scent ever is Sweater Weather by Bath & Body Works. As far as like pretty much just home fragrance, it just really gets me ready for the colder weather, and I love it. It just smells so good. And one of my favorite skincare products for fall right now is this Summer Fridays Overtime Mask. It smells like pumpkin pie. It literally smells amazing as far as scents go. It gets me in the fall spirit. I start off my day every single day putting this on my face and doing my daily devotion, letting it just kind of smooth out my skin, and whenever I take it off, my skin has never felt softer. It is amazing. And another scent that I love whenever the seasons are changing, it's getting cooler outside, is the mulling spices. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but my mom has always used these growing up, and it just makes the house smell so good, so cozy. And I put this on the stove with some hot water, and I also add a couple cinnamon sticks in there as well. It just makes everything smell so nice. And I love fall clothes. That's probably the best part of fall. Today I'm wearing this top. It's not a sweater, but it is perfect for whenever the seasons are transitioning and you need something, you want something long sleeve and something cozy, but not something too heavy. So this is by Simply Enchanted Boutique. It might be by a different vendor, but that's the boutique that it's from, and I love this detail right here, the pocket, the stripes. It's just perfect if you want to wear jeans, leggings. These are my Old Navy jeans that I talked about in my try-on haul. And I have some other jewelry on that I'm really excited about that's new, so I'm going to link everything down below. But fall clothes are the best clothes. They're really, really the best clothes of the whole entire year. I'm going to try out making a healthy pumpkin spice latte. I am definitely basic when it comes to like pumpkin. I love all the seasonal stuff. I'm not obsessed. Like I don't go every single day, everything in moderation, but I could use some caffeine right now. I use this Ninja coffee maker? I don't know what you call it. Coffee machine. Makes coffee. And I use these little filters in here, add my coffee, simple. I've not used this in months because I've been using coffee at work and at my apartment, and I do iced coffee, but we are starting to use this again. It is that time of the year. While this is preheating, I'm gonna be doing my milk portion for like the cappuccino latte. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna add a couple of dashes of this pumpkin spice seasoning. It is organic, so weird. Very unhealthy. I would say it's probably about, I'm really bad at measuring by eyeballing. Maybe like just a few dashes. I don't know, 1/4 of a teaspoon maybe, not a whole lot. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on the cappuccino one because it makes it extra frothy, and I like really frothy milk. It is the best. And while that is doing that, we're gonna go back to the coffee machine here, and I am going to make a rich brew because, no, what am I gonna do? A specialty concentrated because I like my coffee really strong. So we're going to choose that option. fall. This isn't a recipe that like I would give out because it's literally like 3 ingredients. I mean, it's nothing special. I don't like my coffee sweet. I like my coffee black. I normally don't do any cream or anything like that. I just wanted a tiny bit of that pumpkin spice flavor in there, so I just threw a little bit in there. If you do want it sweet and you want to keep it a little on the cleaner side, use like a pure grade A maple syrup. If you want to add that in there, do a little maple pumpkin spice action, or you could use whatever you want. I just try to keep things pretty clean, but I do indulge. So this is it. We're gonna take this over to the couch, and I'm gonna start watching some Hocus Pocus. Thank you guys so much for joining me today in this video, showing you guys some of my fall favorites, and also just kind of transitioning into fall, showing you guys what really gets me in the mood, gets me motivated for the fall weather and for everything fall. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. That really supports my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, sign up for alerts, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.